ZOOMLINE's mobile continuous asphalt plant is an innovative and efficient solution designed specifically for asphalt production. With its exceptional flexibility and high efficiency, this mobile device offers numerous advantages. To achieve efficient production, the ZOOMLINE mobile continuous asphalt plant starts with a customized chassis design that adheres to local transportation regulations. This allows for quick relocation between different job sites, making equipment installation and dismantling more convenient and cost-effective. By minimizing downtime, projects can be initiated promptly, expediting production and enhancing overall work efficiency. In addition to its mobility, the ZOOMLINE mobile continuous asphalt plant inherits the benefits of traditional fixed asphalt plants. We tailor the production capacity to meet the specific requirements of each customer, ensuring compatibility with projects of various scales. The ZAP C60M model features 3 separate aggregate hoppers and belt scales, equipped with variable frequency control. This configuration ensures accurate aggregate measurement and provides the flexibility to adjust the proportions of different stone materials as needed. The plant incorporates a specially designed drying drum and a burner, which not only save fuel, but also deliver excellent drying and mixing results. Furthermore, an efficient baghouse dust collector is integrated to meet environmental emission standards. Transportation is made easier with mobile fuel and asphalt tanks, facilitating quick deployment of the plant. The precise asphalt metering system guarantees the quality of asphalt mixers, ensuring consistent and reliable performance. The ZOOMLINE mobile continuous asphalt plant is equipped with a fully automated control system, making operation simple and user-friendly. Users can quickly grasp the equipment's usage and ensure safe operation. The plant is built with dedicated industrial hardware capable of withstanding harsh environment. It also offers automated production record keeping and data tracing capabilities. The ZOOMLINE ZAP C60M mobile continuous asphalt plant is a versatile device that combines high production efficiency, flexibility, and reliability. Whether for large-scale projects or small-scale ventures, it is well equipped to meet your specific requirement.